Alright, in today's video we're working on something super clean. I'm really excited to finally work on one of these. It's my favorite bike, honestly, of all time. But we get to install some really fun products. We have a M4 exhaust system, we have some TST products, a light kit, really cool stuff. And this is what we're going to be working on. Probably just montage through this, which means I want some jams, dude. Okay, we're finally where we need to be. You want to install a full exhaust system on your modern motorcycle today? This is everything that's got to come apart to get it to where you need it to be. To feed these through the frame and everything, to get your O2 sensor unplugged. I don't think most of this needed to come apart, but I needed to take it apart anyway for other stuff we're installing. We got this out for our butterfly valve here, and O2 is unplugged, so now we can actually start to uninstall the exhaust on this 2021. I'll just let you dangle, it'll probably slap me in the face later. Now it's time for a fun part. Let's open this M4. Thought that was gonna go so much faster than it did. Wow. But let's get this open over here. There it is. Oh yeah. Guess who's not removing that baffle? These are super annoying to get out too. Sweet. It looks sexy. That'll be loud enough anyway. Nice. It's gonna look so good on there. Especially with the black frame. Yeah. Okay. Just like that, boom, we're done. Man, it is an annoying bike to work on, but they do look gorgeous. The exhaust system coming out, looking great, especially with the little bit of pops with the light kit. And it sounds amazing too. And it works perfectly with that black can. Having the black can and the black frame, just perfect.
This bike has no tune on it. One thing that's going to be coming later this season in the winter, we're going to be doing some tune work on this and doing some more modifications to it. But right now it's just full system, M4, no tune, baffle still in it. It's a little low, choppy idle, but once we get that tune, it's going to tune that right out, I think. It is loud and mean, man. All right, let's get this thing on the road and listen to it sing.